Ever dreamt of bringing your stunning Figma designs to life as a fully functional Shopify store? Today, we're unlocking that power, transforming your creative vision from pixels to a polished Shopify theme in just a few key steps. First, it's all about meticulous preparation. In Figma, we'll dive into exporting all your visual elements, sync logos, product images, icons, and any other graphical assets. Pay close attention to choosing the right file formats like PNG or SVG for optimal web performance. Next, we move to the foundational structure. This involves setting up the core of your Shopify theme using HTML and CSS to mirror your Figma layout. Think of it as building the skeleton of your online store. Now, the magic of Shopify comes into play with Liquid templating. We'll integrate Liquid to dynamically pull in your store's product information, pricing, and descriptions directly from Shopify's backend into your theme's structure. Responsiveness is non-negotiable. We'll ensure your design adapts flawlessly to all screen sizes, providing a seamless user experience whether your customers are browsing on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. Finally, we test, refine, and upload by closely comparing your live Shopify store to your original Figma design. You'll iron out any discrepancies and ensure a truly faithful conversion, ready to wow your customers.